In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hidden words on threads to mute and unmute words and phrases. This feature is great if you want a calmer feed, fewer spoilers, or simply less noise around topics you're not interested in. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it, how to add words or phrases you want to avoid, and how to remove them later if you change your mind. First, open the Threads app on your device. Give it a second to load and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping the silhouette icon at the bottom right. That takes you to your profile page, where you'll find your posts and settings. At the top right, tap the two lines to open the main menu. This is where Threads groups most of its settings and controls. In that menu, select Privacy. These options help you manage who can interact with you and what you see. Inside Privacy, tap Other Privacy Settings. This section contains more detailed controls that aren't immediately visible on the first privacy screen. Now scroll until you see Hidden Words and tap it. This is the tool that lets you mute specific words or phrases across your experience, helping reduce content you'd rather not encounter. To add a word or phrase, type it into the field provided, then tap Add. Keep your entries clear and specific. You can add single words, common abbreviations, or short phrases you often come across. If there are multiple terms you want to avoid, add them one at a time so you can manage each entry separately. Think about alternate spellings or common variations people use, and add those too if you find they slip through. You can always return later to refine your list based on what you see in your feed. If you ever want to remove a muted word, go back to the same hidden words screen, find the term in your list, swipe left on it, and tap Delete. That instantly takes it off your muted list, and content containing that term may begin to appear again. This is helpful if your interests change, or if you muted something temporarily, like a live event or a show finale. Take a moment to review your list from time to time. Keeping it tidy ensures you're seeing what you care about and filtering out what you don't. UI labels and placements can change with app updates, but the path will be similar. Profile, menu, privacy settings, then hidden words. And that's it. You've learned how to open threads, navigate to hidden words, add terms you want to mute, and remove them when you're ready.